Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with chapter number 2, GUI Operating System Desktop Management. So take out your books on page number 12 so that you understand the topics better. In your previous class, you have learned about various features of Windows 7, which is a GUI operating system, and in this class you will move further and learn some more about the operating system. So let us revise the operating system learned earlier. Operating system. It is a program that controls the overall activities of the computer as well as the operation of each and every part of computer. It recognizes the input from the input device such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc., coordinates the display of output on the monitor, instructs the printer how and when to print information, and manages data and instructions in memory and information stored on a disk. One of the main functions of operating system is to start or restart the computer. This process is called booting.
Windows 7 is the most popularly used GUI operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Now, from where does this word Microsoft come? Let us read this in Update Your Knowledge. Bill Gates used Microsoft in his letter to co-founder Paul Allen in 1975. Gates initially wrote the company name as Micro-Soft, which made sense considering it's a combination of microcomputer and software.
Now starting Windows 7. When you turn on your computer, Windows 7 starts automatically and you see a welcome screen. You may be asked to enter the password. After few seconds you will get a desktop screen, and the screen in front of you now shows the Windows 7 desktop screen, and we have some components of desktop in front of us. We will read about them one by one. Let us start with desktop icons. Now what are desktop icons? The small pictures on the desktop are referred to as icons. Every icon on the desktop represents a different program, and any icon can be opened by double clicking with the mouse on it. Now next desktop component is mouse pointer. What is the mouse pointer? It is a small arrow present on the desktop, and when we move our mouse, this pointer moves along with it. Now next is desktop screen. What is the desktop screen? It is the Windows 7 work area. It means that it is the place where we can work with our programs and documents.
Date and time. This shows current date and time on our computer. Now start button. It is used to start program and launch any of the Windows feature. It is the most usable part of the desktop. Now comes start menu. It is used to access programs, files and computer settings. Its left part shows all programs button and frequently used applications. Its right part shows shortcuts for various locations on our computer and the shutdown button. Now taskbar. It is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. It extends from left to right. Left side of the taskbar has a start button and right side contains the clock, and below is the picture given of taskbar. So this was all in this video. In next video we'll continue with the next topic, quick launch bar. Till then you have to revise the topics covered in this video. So this is your homework. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.